Welcome to lesson number 3 of the Self-Mastery course. In the previous lesson, we talked about how habits really work. Make sure to watch all the lessons to get the most benefits out of the course. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check them out if you missed them. In this video, we will talk about how to make your habits obvious so you never forget about them. The most important factor in human behavior is the environment. Humans are lazy creatures that act upon the things that they see. Why do you think companies spend millions on advertising? They know that the more we see their products, the more we will be inclined to buy them the next time we see them in stores. We act upon the things that catch our eye, not the things that are good for us. Our environment is the greatest stimulant for our behavior. For this reason, a change in what you see will definitely result in a change in what you do. You can design your environment in a way that reminds you of your good habits as frequently as possible. If you want to make a habit a part of your life, place cues all around your environment. Let me share with you how I design my environment in order to make my morning routine as obvious as possible. Before going to bed, I place the following things in my desk: a bottle of water so that I can hydrate first thing in the morning, a pair of headphones so that I can listen to my affirmations, and a book so that I can start my day with new knowledge. This arrangement makes it almost impossible to forget about my morning routine. Here are some ways you can apply this technique. If you want to take your supplements, put them right above your smartphone. If you want to read more, place books in the kitchen, bedroom, etc. If you want to drink more water, fill up a few water bottles and place them all around your home. Now that your environment is set up, you need to speak your habit. The more aware you make your brain to the fact that you are building a new habit, the easier it will be to perform it. Let's say that you want to read something uplifting as soon as you wake up and you left books all over your bedroom. As soon as you see a book, say something along the lines of, "Now is the time to read because I see a book in my desk." Your brain has now two cues, the book itself and your words. This method of putting into words the things that you want to do is called pointing and calling. It's a way of helping your memory recall the things that it needs to do so that doing them in the future becomes easier. When trying to build a habit, it's not enough to become aware of it inside your head. You need to put it into audible words. This will create a sense of responsibility around performing your habit. By the way, I created a guide with the most important information about how to develop good habits and break the bad habits that are keeping you stuck. You can get it for free with the link in the description below. Most of the time, you don't struggle with your habits because you lack motivation. You struggle because you lack clarity. People say that they want to eat healthier or they want to meditate. These are all noble goals, but without clarity, they are nothing but empty words. To build a habit, you need to get crystal clear about the what, when, and where of your habit. Let's say that you want to acquire the habit of meditation. First, you need to get clear about the type of meditation you want to do, the time you will be meditating, and the place you will be meditating at. The best way to communicate to yourself your new habit is by saying something like, "I will practice mindfulness meditation in my living room as soon as I wake up at 6 a.m. This statement contains the practice, the place, and the time. These types of statements are called implementation intentions. I recommend you write a statement that gives you clarity about the what, where, and when of your habit, and to read it out loud 3 times each day, morning, noon, and night. A great hack I can give you is to write your implementation intention statement as a reminder on your phone. Set the time for it a couple of minutes before you want to practice your habit. Make sure to read your statement out loud as soon as it shows up on your phone. You can make your habits even more obvious by practicing habit stacking. Habit stacking is when you pair the habit you want to build with a habit you currently practice. This strategy leverages the current habits you have in your life in order to use that momentum to build a new habit. Let me share an example. A couple of months ago, I wanted to establish an exercise routine. One of the things that I do every day is clean my bedroom at 12 o'clock. I took advantage of the momentum that cleaning my bedroom created and decided to train right after that. To make this easier, I designed my environment by leaving my training clothes in the middle of my bedroom. It was just a matter of weeks in order for my new habit to become automatic. Habit stacking can be interpreted as adding a couple of steps to your current habits. The formula for habit stacking is, after a current event, I will practice a new habit. In my case, my statement was, after I finish cleaning my bedroom, I will exercise for 30 minutes. As with implementation intentions, I would recommend you write your habit stacking statement and read it out loud 3 times each day. You can also create reminders on your phone to make it even easier. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to build good habits by making them irresistible so that you can't avoid practicing them. This course was inspired by the amazing book Atomic Habits. I will leave the link in the description below so you can get it for absolutely free by signing up to your audible.com free trial.